Good morning. All right, so all the parts are in. Wanted to go over real quick what I got, what's about to go into the car. Got the Carter fuel pump. Came with the pump and the filter and a bunch of bolts, connectors. Got a bracket in here to attach it to wherever it's going. Got a fuel pressure regulator, Holley. This guy right here. Came with a bracket, a bunch of screws. Got a pressure gauge to attach to the side of the pressure regulator, either temporary or less temporary. And it's at least going to go on there while it's being configured. Got some brass caps to go on, one or two of the connectors, and well, it'll be one actually. There's no way it could be two. To go on the end of to the whichever port on this is not being used, if we end up having that situation. We've got a cap to go over the place where the existing mechanical fuel pump is. These holes go all the way through. The two on the outside, it just bolts down where the pump was. This, from what I understand, it's not drilled through, but you can drill it through in case you need to put something here. I assume probably something like this to be able to show you oil pressure, but I'm not going to do that. These will go on the fuel pressure regulator to allow the hoses to connect. I've also acquired some replacement fuel line. I've got 10 feet of it there in case I need any. I probably will. The fuel line the rubber fuel line I see seems to be fairly new, so I think it'll be fine, but I got extra just in case. This is an insulating fuel line wrap, which definitely going to need inside the engine compartment just to kind of protect that bit of fuel line from heat. I got two sizes. I got a 5/16 and a 1/4. Probably, I think 1/4 is all I'm gonna need. This is so when I disconnect the mechanical fuel pump, I can connect this to another spare piece of hose to drain the last bit of fuel out of the line that's there currently, in case there is any. And I really only needed one 12-volt switch, but this came in a pack of 4, so now I have 4. And that's it. I might go ahead and just make this video a part 1.5, since it's really just a parts haul. The rest of the actual installation is going to take, it may take me several days to do, doing it an hour or two at a time. But through the magic of video editing, it's probably going to look like one continuous video for you. But that's the situation. That's where we're at. We've got the parts. Not sure if I'll need anything else, but I think that's it for now. Wish me luck.